what did you actually do in the first week or so after, when everyone's talking about what's happened with him? Like, did you actually get away from it all at that time?
What did I do? Not a lot. I had a couple of little trips away with Elaine. Oh, jeez. I'm not even sure if I went away with the kids. I was away last week with the kids before the trip, but just city breaks around Europe. And outside of that, I just watched a lot about, this is my OCD probably, about World War II history. I just went down a rabbit hole there. And I guess the other thing that I stumbled across was Yellowstone. I'd never really heard of it. And I just started watching Yellowstone, and I started watching anything I could get my hands on about World War II. So, yeah, a bit bizarre, but that's what I did.